Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts. What I'm showing you here is the interior of the Ram 1500 TRX. We got the flat bottom steering wheel here, your downshift and upshift paddle shifters. We have your red start engine stop ignition switch. We got your TRX buttons here, all of the towing buttons here as well. What I was looking at earlier is when you press the TRX button, it pops up with your drive modes, performance, and race option pages, same as what can be on the cluster. So if you go to vehicle info, you get all your gauge summary, hours, tire pressure, coolant temp. That would be on the performance pages. So you go to gauges here and you get all your information there as well. Here we have also your intake, air temp, engine torque, engine power, air fuel ratio, and boost pressure, and so on. And we also have the off-road stuff with pitch and roll. But here's your performance. We got the G-forces, braking distance, drag times, the 60 feet, quarter mile, and so on and so forth. We got your 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 miles per hour, which on here, that's your dashboard. This is your information on torque, power, and your times, reaction times, quarter mile. The timers, same thing, gives you all the information here, maybe your best time, G-forces, your own dyno, pretty cool, vehicle dynamics, and then your drive modes, whether you're in sport, tow, snow, auto. You custom it, mud, sand, rock, and Baja. I mean, this is all new to me. Here's your race options, launch control. I guess you can set it up lower or higher. So shift light, race cooldown. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that everything that is on your cluster can be found on your big radio screen here. Yeah, this is a small little video. Soon I'll be able to take the truck out for a drive and talk about it a little bit more, show the performance that it has. And if you guys think of anything that I can show you guys next time I get my hands on a TRX, please let us know. I'll try my best to take one out on a drive here very soon, as this is as much as I can do. Pretty much sit in the vehicle and talk about the performance pages, drive modes, and show you guys just the cluster and everything else that's inside. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and thanks for watching.